Myself, Mohammad Zoeb Akbar, currently doing my bachelor's in mechatronics engineering from Air University, Islamabad. It's my first semester. In this video, I'm going to present my in-depth analysis of tasks assigned to me. I'm going to tell you about 20 components that are used in today's world in electrical. Let's get started. First of all, we have carbon film resistor. Resistors are devices that restrict or limit the flow of electricity. Basically, the resistors are used wherever a controlled amount of current is needed in a circuit. A carbon film resistor is made up of ceramic rod coated with a fine layer of carbon film that conducts electricity with some resistance. A hollow groove is cut through the film, leaving a long, narrow path of carbon that crosses from one end of the rod to the other. Metal caps are crimpled onto the two ends and wide lids are added. The resistor is then dipped in protective coating and painted with color-coded stripes to indicate its resistance value. Resistors of these types are called axial through-hole resistors, meaning they have wide leads intended to go through holes in a circuit board. Carbon film resistors have many important features, such as have stability, they provide stable resistance value over time with temperature changes. They have tolerance, common tolerance level ranges from 1% to 5%, allowing for precise application. They produce low noise as compared to some other resistor type, making them suitable for audio applications. Temperature coefficient, they have moderate temperature coefficient generally around 100 to 200 ppm. They are available in various power ratings. They have small sizes. They come in various sizes including through hole and surface mount options. They are cost effectiveness. Carbon film resistors are more affordable than metal film resistors. They are still offering good performance for many applications. Carbon film resistors are widely available in market. They are commonly used in various electronic appliances due to stable performance and relatively low cost. You can find them easily in all over the world. Majorly, they are present in retailers, online marketplaces, and especially in electronic stores. They come in various resistance value and power rating to suitable different needs. The cost of the carbon film resistors can range from few cents to few couple of dollars, but in Pakistan it comes in few hundred rupees or maybe in less than that, depending upon the factors like resistance value, power rating, and quantity purchased. For bulk orders, prices can be significantly lower per unit. It is best to check with specific suppliers or online retailers for the most accurate, precise based on needs. Application: carbon film resistors like these are in electron ICs like appliances and toys, where cost is more important than precision or size. At second, we have thin film resistor. Thin film resistors such as 8 in this array are precise devices manufactured by etching a pattern into ultra-thin layer of sputtered metal oxide or cermet. Each serpentine track of resistive material has several areas that can be laser trimmed to fine-tune resistance value with increasing exactitude. The solder bar terminals at the end of each resistor allow this array to be soldered directly to a circuit board. Thin film resistors have many important features, such as they have high precision. They offer tight tolerance, often low as 0.1%, making them ideal for precision application. They have compact sizes. Thin film technology allow for a smaller package sizes, making them suitable for space constrained design. They have low temperature coefficient. They generate less noise as compared to thicker film resistor, which is beneficial in sensitive electronic circuits. They are highly stable. They exhibit excellent long-term stability, reliability, reducing the needs for recalibration. They have good frequency responses. They have wide frequency responses, making them suitable for high frequency applications. They are widely available in all over the world. Thin film resistor arrays are widely available on market. You can find them electronic components distributor on retailers, especially electronic stores. If you want a specific, or if you are looking for a specific type or specification, checking with suppliers like DigiKey, Mouser, or similar platforms can provide a good selections. Thin film resistors are pocket friendly. The cost of thin film resistor array typically ranges from few cents to several dollars per unit. It depends upon the which type you are taking. For example, it depends on resistance value, quantity, manufacturer specifications, and many others. The thin film resistor have many applications. These type of thin film resistor are used when a circuit requires precisely matched or calibrated resistors, such as for specific or medical equipment. At third, we have trimmer potentiometer, often referred by the trademark name trim pot, are not meant to be manipulated by end users. Instead, they are designed for initial calibration and rare adjustments. Colorful trimmer potentiometer has a high-shaped section of resistive ceramic film instead of a coil of a wire. From the outside, you can place a plastic adjustment tool or a screwdriver to turn the yellow plastic rotor. Inside the rotor moves a flexible metal spring that acts as a wiper connecting the center terminal to the resistive ceramic film, changing the resistance between the center terminals and other two terminals. Trimmer potentiometer, often used for calibration adjustment in electronic circuit, have several key features such as adjustability. They are designed for fine tuning. They have compact sizes. They are typically small and lightweight. They have different types such as single turn, multi turn. They are durable, usually constructed with robust material that are provide good longevity resistance to environment factors. They have a taper option. They are easy to use. Adjustment can be often made with a screwdriver or similar tool, allowing for a simple, quick recalibration. Trimmer potentiometers are widely available in the market. You can find them easily at any online retailer shop, especially electronic stores or in components distributor. They come in various sizes with different resistance values and types to suit different applications. They are very pocket friendly. The cost of a trimmer potentiometer varies from few dollars to few cents based on the need what you need. For precision precising, it is best to check the electronic supplies or online marketplaces. Commonly, trimmer potentiometers are used in audio equipment, calibration circuits, and adjustment power supplies. You can find them in precision electronic ICs that requires fine tuning at the vectors or by service technique. The typical service life of a trimmer is only few hundred adjustments. At fourth, we have a wide wound potentiometer. A potentiometer or pot is an adjustable resistor. Pots are used as front panel control knobs on everything from the laboratory. The large pot is made up of resistive wire wrapped around a ceramic form, an old design essentially unchanged since 1925 and still in production today. There are two types of terminals connected to either end of the resistive wire and a third terminal connected to a spring-loaded contact called wiper. The wiper touches the wire windings, making an electrical connection that can be moved around or rotating the shaft. As the wiper moves away from or towards a terminal, the resistance between the wiper and the terminal increases or decreases because the electrical current has to flow through a different amount of resistive wire. An amplified circuit translates the changing resistance into louder volume, or a hot plate interprets it as a temperature set point. Wire wound potentiometer has many important features, such as they have high precision, they have power ratings, they have high durability, they have linear and logarithmic tapers, they are widely available in different ranges, can be manufactured to a cover wide range or resistance value, offering versatility in design. They are temperature confident, they have mechanical life, typically have a long mechanical life due to their robust design, making them suitable for application with frequent adjustments. They have low noise, produce minimal electrical noise. They are available in wide range electronic components distributors. Major distributors like DigiKey, Mouser, and Network stocks a range of wide wound potentiometer in different resistance value, power rating, and configurations. The cost of wide wound potentiometer depend upon the type you need. Because, for example, it has three types: low-end models, mid-range models, high-end or specifically models. For low-end models, basic wire wound potentiometer, the price may cost from $2 to $10. For mid-range, it is up to $10 to $30. For high-end specific models, precision potentiometer with high tolerance or specific configuration, cost can be $30 to $50 or more. Wire wound variable have many important uses. For example, they are used in audio equipment, use a volume controller, tone controls. They are used as calibration instruments. They are used in industry to control system, utilized in control panels, feedback system for position sensing, variable resistance adjustments. They are used in testing equipment commonly found in the test rigs and setups where accurate resistance is necessary for testing electrical components. At fifth, we have 10-ton potentiometer. A 10-ton potentiometer is much like a wire wound pot, but its adjustment range is 10 full ton instead of less than 1 ton. This is a specialized device occasionally found as an input knob on sensitive instrument where high adjustment resolution is required. Construction. The wiper on a 10-ton pot keeps continuous contact with the helix track, moving up or down as the shaft is rotated. The track continues of the resistive wire tightly around an insulated copper form. The wire ends connected to two of the wires of the terminal. The connection between the wiper and the third terminal is through a vertical strip of brass that rotates with the shaft. As the wiper moves up and down, it maintains contact with the strip through a spring finger. Another spring finger keeps contact between the brass strips and the third terminal as the strip rotates. Features. A 10-ton potentiometer, also known as a 10-ton variable resistor, has many important features. It has high precision. The 10-ton mechanism enables fine control over the resistance value. It has smooth operation. It reduces the chances of overshooting and desired settings. Increased resolution. With 10-ton, these potentiometers offer great resolution, robust reconstructions. Typically built to withstand frequent adjustment, they often feature durable material for longevity. Multi-taper options available in various types of configuration, including linear and logarithmic, to suit different applications. They have high power ratings. Many models can handle greater power levels, making them suitable for demanding applications. They have compact sizes. Despite multi-turn design may turn They have compact sizes. Despite their multi-ton design, many ton potentiometers are compact, making them suitable for space-constrained applications. They have calibration card thing. They have mechanical life designed for long. They have mechanical life designed for long operation life, with many models rated over the thousand of cycles. Availability. 10-ton potentiometer are widely available in electronic component distributor, online marketplaces, specific electronic suppliers, and manufacturers. The cost of 10-ton potentiometer depend upon the type you need. It has three types: low-end models, mid-range models, and high-end models. Low-end models with basic 10-ton potentiometer typically starts from $5 to $15. Mid-range starts from 15 to 30 range dollar, and high-end specialty models start from $30 to $100 or maybe more. Application. The 10-ton potentiometer are used as testing and measurement in medical devices and in research development. In testing and measurement, integrated into testing setups and laboratory instruments that require fine-tuning of resistance values. In medical devices utilized in a diagnostic monitoring equipment where accurate resistance adjustments are critical. In research and development, commonly used in laboratory for experiment requiring variable resistance setting with high accuracy. At 6, we have glass capacitor. A capacitor is an electronic component that stores energy. Capacitance is the ability of a capacitor to store electric charges at given voltage depending upon the surface area of conductive plates. Capacitance depends upon how close together the plates and the type of insulator used between them. The insulator is a type of dielectric. While almost any insulator, even air, can be used as dielectric, certain materials provide far more capacitance than an air gap would. Construction. This glass pack capacitor has multiple sets of aluminum foil plate integrated with each other. This layered arrangement augments the available surface area and increases the capacitance. Thin layer of glass and excellent insulator functions as the dielectric. Features of glass capacitor. Glass capacitor are specialized capacitor known for the unique properties and advantages. The important features of glass capacitor are high dielectric strength. Glass capacitors have excellent dielectric strength, allowing them to operate at high voltages without breakdown. Glass capacitors have low leakage current. The very low amount of current can be leaked through glass capacitor. They are temperature stability. Glass capacitors have temperature stability. Glass capacitors have wide operation temperature ranges and maintain stable capacitance value across varying temperatures. They have high insulation resistance. They provide insulation resistance, ensuring minimal energy loss and enhanced reliability. Availability of glass capacitor. Glass capacitor are available for various sources, particularly specialized and electronic component distributor and manufacturers. In electronic component distributor, major distributors like DigiKey, Mouser, and Network often stock glass capacitors in its different values and specification. In special suppliers, companies that focus on high-end or precision company may offer a selection of glass capacitor. In online marketplace, websites like eBay and Amazon sometimes list glass capacitors. Cost for glass capacitor. Cost for glass capacitor depend upon the type you need. For low-end models, it can vary from $1 to $5. For mid-range models, it can vary from $5 to $20. For high-end models, it can vary from $20 to $100 or maybe more. Application of glass capacitor. Commonly used glass capacitors are used in precision timing circuits, RF application, filter circuits, and high voltage power supplies, and many more. At 7, we have film capacitor. Film capacitor is a type of capacitor that uses a thin plastic film as the dielectric material. These capacitors are known for reliability, stability, and versatility. Construction of film capacitor. The metal electrodes of film capacitor are vacuum deposited on surface of long strips of plastic film. After attaching leads, the films are rolled up and dipped into an epoxy that binds the assembly together. Then the completed assembly is dipped into tough outer coating and marked with its value. Features for film capacitor. Film capacitors are known for their reliability, stability, and versatility. Film capacitors use special type of dielectric materials such as polyester, which increase their electrical properties. They use high insulating resistance. Film capacitors have very high insulating resistance, minimizing leakage, current, and energy losses. They are quite stable on wide range of temperatures, maintaining capacitance value even in varying conditions. Availability of film capacitor. This type of capacitor can be available on online marketplaces from local electronic store or directly from the manufacturers. On online marketplaces like websites like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress have often listing these type of film capacitors. We can also purchase directly from the manufacturers like Epicos and also provide a broad range of options. Local electronic shops can also provide these type of capacitors. Cost for film capacitor. Its cost depend upon the type you need. For low-end model, it can varies from $0.110 to 1 each. Or for mid-range models, it can varies from $1 to $5. For high-end model, it varies from $20 to $100 or maybe higher. Application for film capacitor. Film capacitors are widely used in many appliances. For example, they are used in high quantity audio equipment such as headphones, amplifier, recorder players, graphic equalizers, and radio tuners. Their key feature is that dielectric material is plastic film such as polyester or polypropylene. At 8th, we have thermal fuse. A thermal fuse, sometimes called thermal cutoff, is like a regular fuse except it opens an electrical circuit when it exceeds a certain temperature, rather than just a certain level of current. Construction for thermal fuse. Thermal fuse makes an electrical connection from one lead to other via a spring wiper that contracts the edge of the metal case. The wiper is held in place by two springs braced against a wax pulley that melts at a specific temperature. When the wax melts, the springs expand into it, breaking the electrical connection irreversibly after the wax cools down and solidifies again. Features for thermal fuse. A thermal fuse is a device designed to protect electric circuit from overheating and potential fire hazards. They are heat activated. Thermal fuse operates based on temperature. They are non-resettable. They are non-resettable. Once thermal fuse is activated, blown, it cannot be reset. It must be replaced. They have compact size. Thermal fuses are typically small and can be easily integrated into various devices and appliances. They have variety of ratings. They are common in different temperature ratings, current capacities to suit various applications. They are reliable and have fast response time. Availability of thermal fuse. They are available from special suppliers, online marketplaces, and directly from manufacturers. Companies specializing in safety devices and thermal protection may offer these type of thermal fuse. Online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, AliExpress often have listing for thermal fuse. We can also purchase directly from we can also purchase from we can also purchase these type of thermal fuse from we can purchasing directly from manufacturers like Little Fuse can provide access to specific models and bulk orders. Application for thermal fuse. Thermal fuse function as safety device in electrical appliances that contain heating elements, coffee makers, hair dryers, rice cooker, and so on. They prevent a fire if some other part of the circuit fails. At 9 we have USB jack. Definition and construction. The gold-plated contact finger in USB jack act like springs pressing down tightly against the flat metal blade contacts inside the plug. Spring finger on the outer shell lock into the plug, helping to prevent the cable from falling off when it is being plugged in. The clicking sensation you feel when you plug your cable in come from the spring fingers. Cost for USB jack. Basic USB Type A or Type B jacks typically range from $0.50 to $2 each. USB Type C jacks generally cost between $1 to $5. High speed and specialty jacks they are range from $5 to $15 or maybe more. Bulk pricing में larger amount of बस यहाँ तक ही है bulk pricing card नहीं. Availability of USB jacks. They are widely available in all over the world. They are available from electronic components distributors, from online marketplace, local electronic stores, and directly from manufacturers. Companies like DJ Key, Mouser Network stores a large variety of USB jacks, and websites like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress often have numerous options for USB jacks in different types and specifications. At 10th, we have laptop power cable. From outside, the cable is so soft while rubber nodal flexible and easy to grip. The flexibility comes from the immense number of thin supply copper strands that can be flexible and slide a little bit against one another. Construction of laptop power cable. The straight inner bundle of wires is packed around a strength member. A firm plastic insulator around the inner bundle keeps the cable from being bent too sharply. The outer wire bundle is around return of the power transmission. It consists of opposing spirals of copper strands which can more easily adapt to change in length than to straight stand in the middle. The outer rubbing jacket is so tough to texture polymer with a rubby finish. Features of laptop power cable. Laptop power cable are essential components that deliver electricity from an outlet to the laptop power adapter and subsequently to the laptop itself. Here are some key features. It has connector types, voltage and current ratings, durability, length options, compatibility, and safety features. Availability of laptop power cable. They are widely available from electronic retailers, online marketplaces, manufacturer websites, and from computer repair shops. Local computer repair of electronic shop often have power cable for various laptop models. A website like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress offer a wide range of laptop power cables. Manufacture many laptop manufacturers like Dell, HP, Lenovo sell replacement power cables directly on their websites. Cost for laptop power cable. It depends upon the type you need. Different types have different costs. It starts from $10 and goes up to hundreds of dollars. Application of laptop power cable. Charging laptops, the primary function is to supply power often on outlet to the laptop power adapter allowing for charging and operations. Travel and portability. Laptop power cables are designed for portability, making them convenient for travel, allowing users to power their laptop in various locations. Office use. In office environments, these cables are enable the setup of worksheets, allowing employees to connect their laptops to power sources to execute use. Home use and home use laptop power cable are used to keep devices charged for personal use, entertainment, or for remote work. At 11th, we have camera flash bulb. While incandescent light bulbs are designed to last as long as possible before burning out, single-use flash bulbs are designed to burn out a very instant they are first turned on, just enough to time to expose photographic film for the glamorous shot. Construction of camera flash bulbs. Instead of tangent filament, flash bulbs contain Ribson wires or foils of magnesium packed in oxygen. When a plus of voltage is applied, the magnesium heats up and ignites, burning very rapidly in oxygen-rich atmosphere and emitting a bright flash of light that lasts for it longer than all modern strobe-based camera flashes. In outer blue plastic coating on these bulbs filters the output light and strengthens the glass in the outer blue plastic coating on these filters. The outer blue plastic coating on these bulb filters the output light and strengthens the glass envelope. Camera flash bulbs, especially older types, have several distinct features that contribute to their operation and effectiveness in photography. The key features include that they have different flashes, their duration, their luminous output, color temperature, and power source. Availability of camera flash bulb. Incandescent flash bulb, these are largely outdated and may be hard to find. Some special photography stores or online marketplace may still carry them, but they are not commonly used anymore. Electronic flashes, they are widely available in various forms including speed lights, studios, strobes, and continuous lights. Modern alternatives, many photography now use LED lights for electronic flashes units that offer more features and versatility than traditional flash bulb. Cost and application. Cost of camera flash bulbs and electronic flashes units are very widely based on type and brand. Incandescent flash bulb, a pack of these can range from $10 to $50. Electronic flashes varies from $100 to $600 or maybe $200 to $1,500 depending on power output and additional features. Light LED lights price of LED lights ranges from 50 to several $100. At 12, we have GMR hard drive head. Definition. Compare the thin film hard drive head to this hard drive from 2001. By this time, heads were using giant magneto resistance GMR technology, and the cylinder shrunk to only 1 mm wide. Magnetism is the phenomenon whether magnetizes magnetoresistance. Magnet Magnetoresistance is the phenomena where the resistance of a material can change in the presence of an external magnetic field. Sensor based on this fact can detect very small magnetic domains, allowing drive a memory storage density to increase. Construction. A sensor technology, a GMR based head does not on its own write data to the drive. Rather, a GMR read head is layered with a thin film write the head like the one that we saw previously. The hard drive industry continues to involve current generation drive head use entirely different technologies to achieve even greater storage density. Features. GMR head drives are essential for components in modern hard disk drive, SSDs, and magnetic sensors. Here are some key features. High sensitivity. GMR heads detect very small changes in magnetic fields, allowing for higher data storage densities. Improved read performance. They offer faster read speed compared to traditional magnetic head, enhancing overall drive performance. Low power consumption. GMR technology can operate effectively, which is beneficial for mobile devices and laptop where battery life is crucial. Versatility. GMR heads are used in range of application beyond SSDs, including in data centers and various sensors technology. Availability. To find GMR hard drives, you can check several online retailers and marketplace: Amazon, Newbay, eBay, and Best Buy. And from Micro Center. If you have one nearby, then they have wide selection of computer components. From eBay, you might find both new and used option here. From Best Buy, they often carry a variety of hard drives. From Amazon, search for specific brand or models that utilize GMR technology. Applications. Hard disk drive SSDs. GMR improves data read write efficiency, allowing for higher storage density and faster data retrievals. Data storage solution. It is utilized in various types of data storage devices, enhancing performance in both consumer and enterprise environment. Memory devices. It has potential application in non-volatile memory devices which retain data without power. At 13, we have Ethernet transformer. Definition. Networking cable connection need to be electrically isolated for safety reason. Computer and other devices that have Ethernet ports use a group of tutorial transformer to achieve data isolation. Construction. Cutting into the Ethernet transformer reveals a 10 tutorial transformer at various angles. two for each of the four twisted wire pairs in an Ethernet cable. One transformer in a pair provides an electrical station while the other is configured as a choke to a figurated cord to the both wires. Features: Ethernet transformer commonly used in networking devices have several key features. Signal isolation: they provide electrical isolation between the network and the device. Impli- Impedance matching transformer helping match the impedance between the Ethernet PHY physical layer and the cable. Different signaling: they facilitate different signaling which reduces electromagnetic interference EMI and improves noise immunity. They have compact sizes, wide range of frequency range, and multiple ports. Some transformer can handle multiple ports allowing for multiple channel applications. Availability: Ethernet transformer are widely available from various electronic suppliers and online retailers. You can find them at Amazon, a broad selection of electronic components. DigiKey specializes in electronic components and has a wide inventory. Mouse Electronics offers various type of Ethernet transformer network. Another supplier focused on electronic components. eBay, you might find both old and new. Application include network equipment found in switches, routers, and network interface card NIC to enable reliable Ethernet connection. Industrial automation used in industrial Ethernet system for machine communication and control, ensuring robust data transfer in harsh environment. In telecommunication, integrated into telecom equipment for data transmission over long distance. In PoE, power over Ethernet employed in systems that supply power along with data such as IP cameras, VoIP, phones, and wireless access point. At 14, we have ceramic disc capacitor. Definition: Capacitors are fundamental electronic components that store energy in form of static electricity. They are just in countless ways, including for bulk energy storage to smooth or electric signals and as a computer energy memory cell. Construction: The simplest capacitor consists of two parallel metal plates with a gap between them, but capacitor can take many forms as long as there are two conductive surfaces called electrodes separated by an insulator. Features: Ceramic disc capacitors have several important features that make them widely used in electronic circuit. They are high voltage rating. They can handle relatively high voltage levels, making them suitable for various applications, including power supplies. Wide capacitor range available in broad range of capacitance values, typically from few picofards to several microfarads. Temporary stability: Many ceramic capacitors offer good temperature stability, particularly as one dielectric like COG ये काट दें like जिसे पे आगे काट दें. Low equivalence series resistant ESR. This feature helps minimize energy losses, making them suitable for high frequent applications. 5. Small size and lightweight. Their compact size allows for easy integration into dense circuit designs. Availability: They are available at DigiKey, a major supplier of electronic components with wide selection of ceramics capacitor. Mauser Electronics offer a variety of ceramic disc capacitor in different values and ratings. Network, another supplier specializing in electronic parts, including ceramic capacitor. Amazon, you can find a range of ceramic capacitors through the selection may vary. eBay, both new and used option may be available here. Cost and application: A ceramic disc capacitor is a low-cost capacitor that is frequently found in appliances and toys. It is insulated ceramic disc and its two parallel plates are extremely thin plates coating with a fabricated or separated onto the disc outer surface. Connection wires are attached using solder and whole assembly is dipped into porous coating material that dries hard and protects the capacitor from damage. At 15, we have speaker. A speaker converts an electrical signal into vibrations of air that we hear as a sound. Construction: Inside the speaker, a large permanent magnet sits in the center. A small coil of wire called voice coil is wound around a paper cylinder that fits inside a circular groove in the magnet. When the voice coil is driven with the current in either direction, it generates a magnetic field that pushes against the field of the permanent magnet. The paper cylinder moves up and down in response. An embedded coiled suspension acts as a spring to return the cylinder to the neutral position when no current is passed. The, the paper cylinder connects to a black speaker cone made of molded paper and provides a good surface area for pushing against the surrounding air. The cylinder movements drives the vibration of the speaker. The cylinder movements drive the vibration of the speaker cone, generates the sound waves, and we hear. Features. Features of the speaker can vary widely depending on the type and purpose, but here are some common features to consider. Power handling. The maximum power the speaker can handle without distortion. Sensitivity. Measured the decibel dB, it indicates how effectively a speaker converts power into sound. Frequency response. Frequency response. The range of frequency in a speaker can reproduce usually given in hertz. Impedance. Measured in ohms, impedance. Measured in ohm, this indicates how much resistance the speaker provides to the current from an amplifier. Drives. Different type of different type of drivers, woofers, tweeters, mid-range determines the speaker ability to reproduce various and frequency. Connectivity options include wired connections like RCA or speaker wire, or wireless option Bluetooth Wi-Fi. Applications. Speakers are used in homemade audio system for listening to music, movies, TV shows, enhancing the audio experience. Portable speaker used for outdoor activities, parties, and personal listening to the go and often Bluetooth. Home theater system provides surrounded sound for more impressive movies watching experience. Computers and gaming enhancing audio quality for gaming, video conference, or general computer use etc. At 16, we have IF transformer. Definition. An IF transformer sort of intermediate frequency is a tunable inductor that often has built up in capacitors. These were once very popular in television sets and radios like 1960 transistor radio circuit board in the photo. Construction. The inductance of an inductor depends upon the type and position of its magnetic core. An IF transformer core is movable screw-shaped brittle slug as the slug is rotated with the special plastic tool that won't crack the brittle brittle. It moves up and down within the conductor windings. This changes the characteristics of the IF transformer and adjusts the response of the circuit that uses it. Having a built-in capacitor allows other circuit designer to save on external components. Features. An IF transformer is a crucial component in radio and communication devices. Here are its key features. Frequency range. Designed to operate at specific intermediate frequency, commonly 455 kHz from AM radios. Dual winding designs typically has two windings, primary and secondary. Magnetic coupling utilizes a magnetic core to couple energy between the windings, improving signal strength. Selectivity helps in filtering and selecting desired frequency from incoming signal, enhancing clarity. Bandwidth determines the range of frequency that the transformer can effectively process. A narrower bandwidth improves selectivity. Application. IF transformers are used in various applications, particularly in radio communication technologies. Here are some common uses. AM and FM radio receiver help in demolition of signal, allowing the receiver to select and amplify desired frequency while filtering out noise. Super hetero receiver, a key component in the easy receivers IF transformer, facilitate frequency conversion, improving sensitivity and selectivity. Television tuners used in older and some modern TV tuners to process broadcasting signal effectively. Signal processing Signal processing employed in various signal processing applications to filter and apply intermediate frequency. Communication devices found in walkie-talkies, two-way radios, and other communication equipment to enhance signal clarity and quality. At 17, we have red-green biocolor LED. Definition and construction. This biocolor LED has two leads and two different LED die inside, connected in parallel with bond wires. A red-green LED up red and current flows through it in one direction. If you reverse the voltage so the current flow in the other direction, it lights up green. With careful circuit design switching the relative time that current flow each way, the way LED can appear to produce red light, green light, yellow light, anything in between. At 18, we have neon lamp. Definition and construction. Neon lamp contain a small amount of enormous noble gas. When enough voltage is applied between the lamp's two parallel electrodes, the gas ionizes and emits a distinctive orange color. The outer glass envelopes hold the electrodes in place and prevents the neon gas from escaping. The bulb of the glass at the tip is where the envelope was sealed after introducing the gas during the manufacturing process. When the DC voltage is applied across the lead, only the negative electrode's cathode lights up. With an AC voltage, the alternative between positive and negative polarize many timer per second. Each electrode lights up in turn due to precision of VN. Both electrodes appear lit. At 19, we have slide switch. Definition and construction. The two position slide switch shown here has small ridges on its handle, making it easy to grip with your fingertip and move it from one position to other. Inside the handle slides are metal contactable back and forth, completing a circuit between the middle terminal and one of the outer terminals. Larger and more complex slide switches may add additional terminals and position for sliding handles. Features. Slide switches are versatile electrical components commonly used in various applications. Here are some key features. Simple operation, easy to use, typically operated by sliding or lever or maybe by button. Multiple position, available in single pole, single throw, or in single pole double throw. Compact size, generally small and lightweight, make them suitable for tight space in electronic devices. Mechanical stability, designed for long lifespan with many switches rated from thousands of cycles. Variety of terminals we can have through the whole of service amount terminals accommodation different circuit board designs. Availability. Electronic distributor major distributors like DigiKey, Mouser, New York offer a broad selection of slide switches. Online marketplaces, websites such as Amazon, eBay features both new and used slide switches. Bulk supplier suppliers often provide slide switches at discounted rates for bulk purchase. Applications. Consumer electronics found in devices like television, radios, gaming console to control power or setting. Household appliances used in appliances such as toaster, coffee makers, and fans for switching on and off. Toys commonly used in battery operated toys to control power and functions. Automotive applications found in vehicles for various functions including power window and seat adjustments. At 20, we have vintage LED bulb display. Definition. Early electronic calculators like HP67 used 7-segment LED displays instead of now luminous LCD panels. Each is a single LED chip with 7 segments and a decimal point pattern on it. Because each LED chip is small, magnifiable lenses molded into the outer plastic case of display enlarge the digits, making them easier to see. Construction. In close-up photo of digit, you may able to see the array of fine gold bond wires that connects the LED digits to the rest of the calculator circuitry. To reduce the number of pins, a technique called multiplexing is used. Each group of 5 digits shares the same control pins for each segment. For example, all the 5 digits top segment are wired together. Because of the shared wiring, only one digit can be lit at a time. The circuitry cycle quickly through all the digits, making it appear like each digit is continuously lit. Features. Vintage LED bulbs combine the aesthetic appeal of traditional bulbs with modern LED technology. Here are some key features. Classic design, often designed to resemble traditional bulbs with shapes like globe. Warm color temperature typically emits a warm white color. Energy efficiency consumes significantly less energy than uh, incandescent bulbs, resulting in lower electricity bills. Long lifespan generally lasts much longer than traditional bulbs. Variety of wattages available in different wattages to replace various incident bulbs. Eco-friendly, free from hazard material like mercury and produces less carbon footprints. Instant on provides it full brightness immediately when switched on. Glass construction typically made with glass rather than plastic contributed to a more authentic vintage look and feel. Availability. Home improvement stores, retailers like Home Depot, Lewis, Mender typical carry selection of vintage LED bulbs. Online marketplace like such as Amazon, eBay, Walmart offer a wide range of vintage LED bulbs for different brands. Lighting specialist stores for the focusing on lighting solution often has variety of vintage LED options. Application. Home lighting ideal for living rooms, dining areas and bedrooms to create an aesthetic look. Restaurants and cafes frequently use in dining establishments for ambient lighting to enhance the dining experience. Bars and pubs commonly use lighting fixture to create a vintage or retro vibes. That's all from my side. Please drop a valuable feedback in comment section. Thank you.